Hello there. Here we've got a 2014 911 Turbo S Coupe. Beautiful car. This car has 18,000 miles. Highly optioned car, carbon ceramic brakes, heated ventilated seats, park sensors, Burmeister high-end sound system, new tires. We have 2 keys and all the books for this car. Very high window sticker. It's just serviced. It's a PDK car. Also a sunroof delete car. You don't see that very often where you get a 911 without a sunroof. This one was ordered without one. The interior is beautiful. Open the door up. Really goes with the white exterior paint nicely. The full power seats, leather dash, comfort access, has the wood grain trim. Porsche navigation, sport chrono. Porsche crest in the headrest. Really pretty white on brown. Clean Carfax, no issues at all with this car. Locally owned, we got this on trade. It has the spoilers that I've got it down right now. The front spoiler, you can raise the back and lower the front. Go check out all the pics and information, rogersmotorcars.com. Thank you for watching.